Good morning, Melli.
Good morning, Roger. How
Uh,
are you today?
yeah, very well. Nice to see you again. Long time no see.
Likewise.
No, we'll just give a few minutes for folk to enter the meeting, and then we'll get stuck in. You're going to drive for me, are you?
Yes, I'm going to drive for you. Yep.
Okay,
And
brilliant.
now we get the chance to look at all of these wonderful speakers we have here
Yeah,
up on the screen. Some
our
of them
rock,
today, some of
yeah, our
them,
rock stars. We're going to learn some fun facts about them as well.
yeah.
We literally have a rock star amongst us today.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, so good, good. Um,
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think it looks like it. As always, whether it's graph or spatial, Gene likes to pack him in. So we've got a really busy um, schedule today. All
Yeah, we're
right.
going to keep everyone on time, I think. Are we?
People are saying hello. Anyway, we've got hello from Spain. I'm just giving it a minute or two.
Oh,
Costa Rica, San Jose, Costa Rica, Plano, Texas, Washington State, USA. I'm actually in Atlanta, Georgia today for a change. Oh, we've got someone from Poland, someone from Netherlands, Darcy van die Nederlands af. Hello from Boston. Yeah, brilliant.
well, that's the one thing we were just talking about in person versus virtual events, right? I really like the fact that in a virtual event we really get people from all over the world. I mean, we do so in an in-person event as well, but I think virtual events just make it easier. So
Yeah.
that's nice.
Oh, Colorado, USA as well.
Nice.
Okay. All right. I think maybe we should make the influx has slowed to a bit of a trickle. Oh, we got someone from Connecticut. So I've learned how to say that now instead of Connecticut. Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, Hungary as well. All right, let's make a start, Melly. So we do have a fairly well packed time today. Just to announce to everybody that UiPath is actually sponsoring today's sessions. We're grateful for that. Thank you for contributing. You'll hear from them. They will be doing a slot later on talking about what they do in terms of robotics and automation. So yeah, we'll meet KJ. He's a character. We've obviously got a number of different days, 3 days. We've already had Analytics Plus. If you didn't manage to attend yesterday, don't worry. You will see these. All of the sessions will be archived and included on our website and in YouTube. And all of the decks from will be available also in the archive. Obviously, today is Graph Demo Day, and tomorrow we've got Machine Learning Demo Day. You see, Melly's got absolute control. She just moves, and I have to talk. All right. So, and machine learning, we've got the normal bunch of rock stars from Steve Chamberlain, Joe Tachowski, KJ, who's also talking again tomorrow, and Matthew and Mark Hornick, who is teaching us some Python functions. So again, a pretty busy day tomorrow. If you can tolerate it, I'll be hosting tomorrow as well with Ilves. So next slide, ma'am. So today we've got the fairly packed schedule. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but we've got some interesting things. Build RDF graphs, SPARQL. So I want to say Sparkle endpoints with autonomous database. And this from Rayota and Ramu. Graphing grifters. I love the title of this, Jim. Identify and display patterns of corruption with Oracle Graph. And we got the UiPath chat. Then next slide. We've got rounding up the day. We've got Mark Daines and Melli rounding off with what's new. So just so you're aware, TechCast Demo Days is one aspect of what we do. Please note there are lots of ways you can join with us. If you want to talk to us or talk to folk during the actual TechCast Days, please follow the Join ANDOUC Slack. You'll see all of these will be entered in the general chat. You can go and click on the links and join us. We'd love to have you join the various channels. We'll talk a little bit about this a little bit later. Melli may actually bring it up on her screen and show you. And we would love to see you participating in the future. If you've got something interesting you want to share with us to do with the Oracle, in this case Oracle Graph, but we have 3 areas: the Analytics Plus, Graph and Spatial, really, so more than 3 areas, but Graph and Spatial, and then Machine Learning and AI. We would love to hear from you. Send your abstracts to, we've changed this slightly. We want you to send an email. Sorry, go back one. We want to send you an email to bwestsummits@gmail.com with your abstract. That'd be, if you could do that, that'd be grateful. We're just busy changing our abstract system. Next slide, ma'am. So connecting with us is really easy, and there's lots of ways you can do it. Whether it's on the website itself, the Slack channel I've already mentioned, YouTube. We do have a newspaper. If you follow that link, you can actually subscribe and get that update every day. And then we've obviously got our Twitter handle is @analytic&data, Facebook and LinkedIn. So you've also got a separate LinkedIn page for Spatial and Graph, the SIG. So lots of ways to connect. The links will be in the chat. So one other thing just to say before we move on, and I introduce Ryota and Ramu. We ask that we'll keep a lookout on the questions, but where you put the questions is important. Do not put them in the chat. Please use the Q&A area of the chat. So at the bottom of your screen, you will see Q&A. Put them in there. I'll keep a lookout on that, and I will either interrupt the speakers at a convenient moment, or we'll save them to the end. So with that,